Good night. My name is John Frey Cepeda. I will present the explanation of my learn. I choose the ONU because they are the leaders of the world, and I consider that they are the only wish who can out re- reduce um, constant in our world because they have the control of petroleum and carbon and other that pollute or environment. For that reason and that this requires with their head I believe that pollution can be limited even with num flat and clever alternatives. They could if the lamping, the volunteering and enforcing and polling lab introduction this world where Arlene reduce an amount of waste that what is way into environment are cities are primary concert in due to the congestion um, of automobile factories and later I think that with hot las the ONU could start the pollution route in the world.